Hi everybody, NAVIFORCE again. Today we will have an unboxing review of our new watch, and the model number is the NF9194. Okay, now let's start. As you can see, the black box is still very textured. Now let me read it off. Okay, here is the guarantee card and the instruction menu for the NF9194. And okay, here and the NF9194 is a dual display watch that using a high quality Japanese quartz movement. First, let's look at the back side. Okay, from the back side you can know the model number here, and the material of the back, it's stainless steel material, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. And our watches are making use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is very scratch resistant and very durable to use. And the case diameter of this model is 45mm and the thickness is 16mm. And the total length of this watch is 260mm, and you can notice that the strap here, pay attention, and the strap made use of soft, genuine leather material with an easily adjusted pin buckle. And the novel carbon fiber texture, the strap surface is also captivating. It is quite comfortable and convenient to wear and use. Let me show you. Okay, now I'm going to introduce more details of this model. Echoing the strap, we incorporate the carbon fiber elements and the horizontal stripes into the dial design here. At the center, it is the carbon fiber pattern. And combined with the 4 multifunctional windows covering practical functions like alarm clock and the stopwatch, this watch is both technological and reliable. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 6 colors here. The first one, the color is silver gray. It is, the whole colorway is very high-ended. And the next one is the black blue with black case and the blue dial and the same color stitching lines. The next one is the black green, black case and the green dial. The fourth one is the gold black. The case and the dial are both golden color and with the black strap here, quite captivating. And the fifth one is the black white, and it is with the black case and dial, but the marker is used the white color and the stitching lines. It's quite cool. And the last one is the black red with black case and dial, but the red stitching lines and here the hands. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9194 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. See you next video. Bye.